Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can unlock What If branches in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, if you lower the difficulty, you can't unlock What If episodes, so make sure you always keep the normal difficulty. Now, as soon as it started, I paused the game. After doing so, go to Battle Details and then Alternate Objective. They don't tell you the timer though, but the objective is to defeat Raditz quickly. Note that the game does not tell you how fast you need to be, but you guys will get an idea of that. As soon as the battle starts, charge up your ki and do a special attack. Either Kamehameha or Meteor Smash. As soon as you knock him down, charge up your ki again and keep doing that until you have your super move. Also, don't do it right away. Make sure you get a whole combo off. Then, as soon as he's falling down to the ground, you do your super Kamehameha. So, enter Sparking, and right after you have Sparking, get a combo hit and perform Super Kamehameha. You just need to keep doing it over and over again. After the fight ends, if you were fast enough, it will say Sparking Episode in the bottom left.
もっと戦えねえはずだ。ほらや、みんなを殺そうとするひでえやつは兄貴なんかじゃねえ。とっとと地球から出ていって二度とここへ来んな。ご飯はありだな。
やはり貴様は一族の恥だな。一流の戦士とはこういうものだ。覚悟いいか。
まさか。
何？魔眼光殺法。貴様！ちくしょう、この俺がこんな奴らに。
助かったぞ、ピッコロ。
So that's basically how you can unlock What If branches in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.